If you have any collections, charge-offs, bankruptcies, or any negative items that are hurting your credit, there is a new, more powerful credit repair software out there that anyone can use, and it's getting people crazy results. On today's new video, I'm going to be exposing how it truly is super easy for anyone to work on their credit using AI, if you choose to, of course. I want to be super clear and transparent that AI has already been taking over the entire credit repair industry across the United States, because this is truly the new wave on how you can work on your credit, and honestly, anyone can do it. I want everyone to understand that the days of paying credit repair companies hundreds and even thousands of dollars are completely over when you can do it all on your own. And guess what? You control the entire process. And listen, I want to be very clear that this is not ChatGPT, because ChatGPT does not understand how to completely dispute, and it does not understand the entire credit reporting process, because we all know there's always going to be somebody out there saying, I'm just going to use ChatGPT to fix my credit. It's just that simple. But it's really not, because if it was really truly that simple, then show me how, fam. I want you to show me how you're actually going to do it, because a lot of people talk a big game, but they're not telling you the truth. They're not walking you through the entire process, because in order for ChatGPT to work properly in any type of disputing process, it has to go through thousands of letters to see what works and what doesn't work. And nobody is feeding that information to ChatGPT, because let's be honest, all of these credit repair companies, all of these gurus, they're all just lazy. And they're not telling you that ChatGPT doesn't understand how to read a credit report. ChatGPT doesn't understand the different tactics of disputing. There's Metro 2 attacking, there's factual disputing, and there's consumer law. And there's never been a software that does all three of them until right now. Listen, I'm gonna say it again. ChatGPT does not understand the credit reporting process. And anyone out there that's trying to work on their credit, you have to understand that you are up against a machine. All of these credit repair companies and all these credit repair gurus aren't telling you the entire process because they don't understand it or know what they're talking about. But understand that the credit reporting agencies are using a software called eOSCAR. eOSCAR's job is to decipher what exactly you're saying and communicate that to the credit reporting agencies, to the creditors, the data furnishers, the debt collectors, anyone that's reporting that information. eOSCAR is communicating exactly directly with them. But here's what people don't understand. eOSCAR's job is to get you out of their hair as fast as they possibly can, because they're being inundated by thousands and possibly millions of letters every single month by people disputing inaccurate errors, inaccurate information, all types of issues with their credit reports. eOSCAR was created to benefit the credit reporting agencies, because the credit reporting agencies make money off of selling subprime borrowers information. They sell your information when you have a low credit score to all of these massive companies. They're going to try to get you into an auto loan, try to get you into a personal loan or a bad credit card. They make billions of dollars off of your bad credit score every single year. They're not making money off of selling credit reports. Don't be fooled. This is a billion-dollar industry. It's called big data, and they're going to continue to make money as long as they continue to keep you down. How do you think you're getting those offers in the mail, or you're getting those letters in the mail, and you're getting those text messages saying, hey, you got a low credit score? We got a credit card for you. We can help you. All of those emails and letters and notifications are coming from one source: the credit reporting agencies. This is why it's super important that you work on your credit, because the longer they can keep you down, the more they're going to make you suffer. I want to be really clear. AI credit repair is the most powerful way that you can work on your credit, besides using an actual attorney, if you can find one that's actually worth a damn. Just keeping it 100 with you, because they all talk a massive game and they don't really deliver it. I only know of one. Now understand, this is not ChatGPT, and this is damn sure not the bootleg credit Versio that only gives you 3 basic template letters. It doesn't attack the creditors. It doesn't attack the secondary credit reporting agencies. And guess what? Now they're selling it to other YouTubers and creators, charging you more money for the exact same product.
You guys make me sick to my stomach, fam.
And listen, all these bootleg credit repair companies aren't telling you the truth, that every single credit repair company out there right now is using software. They're not manually looking at credit reports. They're not manually creating custom letters for every single person. It's just impossible. So I'm telling you right now, they're all lying if they're telling you, oh yeah, we're gonna create your custom letters. No, they're not. Everyone is using software across the entire industry. And that's exactly why I helped create DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created. It uses Metro 2 compliance attacking, consumer law, and factual disputing, the first of its kind. And yes, I said I helped create it because I actually own it. Listen, DisputeBeast is going to create your custom flow based on your specific issues using consumer law, factual disputing, and Metro 2 compliance, creating custom letters every single month. Now, here's what makes DisputeBeast even more powerful than anything else. DisputeBeast is always going to attack the main 3 credit reporting agencies, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, but it's also going to attack the creditors. But wait, because it doesn't just stop there. It's also going to attack the secondary credit reporting agencies, LexisNexis, LCI, Inovis, ARS, Creditco, Clarity, DataX, Microbuilt, and Factor Trust. But now let me show you how easy it truly is to use DisputeBeast. Now, once you've signed up and you've actually uploaded a copy of your utility bill and driver's license, your next step, last part's the most important. You're going to go to your main attack hub. It's the home page. Now, as you can see right there, the big blue button says Start Attack. You're just gonna click that button. Once you click that button, it's going to show you and import all of your accounts that are on your credit report. It's gonna highlight the negative ones. As you can see right there, it clearly says negative. Then you're gonna scroll down. We only have one other negative right there. Then if you want to attack any hard inquiries, we'll get to the bottom of it. You can do that if you choose to, but it will tell you what to do and what not to do. So there's no guessing game here. You're gonna be guided the entire way. It's just super simplified. But we're not gonna attack any hard inquiries here. We're just gonna start our attack. Now, generally speaking, it takes about 40 to maybe 50 seconds. Generally between that time frame, it will create your custom attack letters. I've never seen it go past 1 minute, just being honest with you. You're gonna get all of your letters in one place, and then you'll choose whether you want to actually print them and mail them on your own, or you use the integrated mailing partner inside of DisputeBeast. It's the first of its kind. Every other software makes you send them off to some other company or something. No, everything's integrated into DisputeBeast. With Sprint Mail, you have the option in there. So it's gonna tell you right now, it's almost done. I can sense it, I can feel it. And then it's gonna just populate all these letters, all of them in one place. So you don't have to go anywhere. There it is. So there it is. There's your option for Sprint Mail. You can have them mail them for you for a total of $27.63 if you decide to use that new service. That's absolutely awesome. Then you can also mail them yourself. If you mail them yourself, it's going to email you all of the letters to your email address on file, and then you just print them and mail them. There's TransUnion, Experian, Equifax, your creditor that we're going to attack, and all of the secondary credit reporting agency, all 9 of them. This is the only software that gives you everything so easily. It literally is 1 click. Well, actually, technically 2 clicks to decide whether you want to mail or you want to actually print them on your own. So the choice is yours. It can't get any easier than this, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're ready to get started and take control of your credit, make sure to comment Beast to get started today and fix your credit. So if you're ready to get started and take control of your credit, make sure to comment Beast to get started today and fix your credit. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We gave you another big one on the best credit repair software out on the market right now, DisputeBeast. Now make sure to watch this video right here because it's gonna show you all the major changes happening to credit reports and credit scores in the month of May that nobody is talking about. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.